Hi and welcome to Digital Toolcase. In this video I want to show you a little trick with ChatGPT that let you understand perfectly the search intent of any user just by inserting a simple keyword in ChatGPT. But in order to use it, you need to have this Chrome extension. It's called WebChatGPT. You can find it on the Chrome Web Store. Because without this extension, ChatGPT can't search on the web. With this one, it can go on Google and search for the first results. In this example, I choose 10 results because I want to analyze all the first Google page. So how this is working? This is working like this, really simple. I just need to insert a keyword here. I need to activate this web access, so ChatGPT can search on Google, and I need to select the country, here, United States in this case, anytime as the time, and here I have prompts. Usually when you install this extension, you only have your default prompt and default English. As you can see, I also have this search intent prompt, and don't worry because I will copy this prompt here below in the description, so if you want you can paste it in this extension, save it and use it, or maybe you can find something better. Anyway, I want to show you how it works and then I will show you this prompt. Now, I just need to insert a keyword here, for example, how to cook pizza, and obviously we know that this is an informational keyword. Let's see if ChatGPT identifies this search intent, and it will also give me some instruction on the content I need to write about this keyword. As you can see, it searched on the web, and now, based on the web search results, the user search intent for the query how to cook pizza is informational. The user is searching for instructions or guidelines on how to cook pizza at home. To be relevant to the user's query, the best type of content to write will be a step-by-step guide on how to make pizza at home, including information on the required ingredients, equipment and baking instruction and so on. So as you can see, ChatGPT is also suggesting the kind of content you need to create to be more relevant for this specific query. Let's try with something else. For example, best smart TV of 2023. Let's try this one and let's see what ChatGPT is saying. Based on the query, the user search intent appears to be commercial, with the user being in the process of deciding which smart TV to buy in the current year. It's correct. The best type of content to write will be a comprehensive review of the top-rated smart TV of 2023, highlighting the key features and benefits of each TV model. Additionally, a comparison of the various TV brands and their respective models will be helpful in aiding the user's decision-making process. As you can see, you have a track of the kind of article you need to write to be relevant in this SERP. But let's try again with something else. For example, YouTube. Many people don't remember the YouTube address, so they search on the web, they search on Google. This kind of keyword is usually known as navigational. Let's see if ChatGPT identifies it correctly. And in this case, as you can see, ChatGPT is writing something little different. Anyway, the user search intent for this query is navigational, as the user is looking for a specific site or brand. Suggestion, since the user is looking and so on. In this case, you don't need to write anything because it's really difficult to compete with a keyword like this, YouTube, but it may be Apple, for example. Usually these kind of keywords are only good for brands, but ChatGPT can identify it. Now I want to show you how I did this and how you can do it too. When you install this little extension, you have this button here. And by clicking here, you go on the settings for WebChatGPT. Now, you usually get only the default prompt and the default English, and it's this one, but you can create a new prompt by clicking here, and this is the prompt I used. Again, I will copy it below in the description so you can use it if you want, or maybe you can find a better one. Instruction: using the provided web search results, analyze the type of content and identify the user's search intent. Categorize the search query by choosing between informational, user searching for informations, commercial, user deciding to buy something, transactional, user ready to buy, or navigational, user searching for a specific site or brand. Give a detailed suggestion on the best type of content to write to be relevant to the specific query. And then here you have some variables. This is query. And this is web results, and if you want, there is also current date. It's not necessary, but you can leave it there. And this is the simple prompt, so you need to save it. Once you save it, you will find it here in this prompt list. As you can see, I have the default prompt, I have the search intent one. You just need to select search intent or any prompt you will create here. Choose the country, in this case United States, and choose the results. I prefer 10 in this case because you need to analyze the entire Google first page. And as you can see, this is a smart way to use ChatGPT, because even if it's not the best when talking about SEO, for example, you can't really search for easy to rank keywords with ChatGPT. I already made a video about this topic. You can, for example, find good semantic keywords, but you are not sure they are easy to rank. You can build a topical authority, but it's not a real keyword research. But this is a different use case, because with this extension, again, WebChatGPT, you can identify the search intent of your user and know perfectly the kind of content you need to write to be more relevant for this specific SERP. I hope this video was helpful, and if so, click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. I will do more of these little tricks, little tutorials about ChatGPT, and you can find them in my playlist here on the channel, ChatGPT tutorials. Thank you very much for being here, and see you soon in the next video.